Speech off.
Hey guys, so today we're going to learn about a new something in keysoft that came out for the BrailleNote Touch. It's been out for a couple in the update. It's called one-handed mode. So to activate this, we're going to learn how to do this a little bit because haven't used it, but I've learned a little bit about it. So we're do this together. So to turn on one-handed mode, hold down the enter button, and then while you're doing that, press and hold the action button.
One-handed mode activated. While holding down enter, press and hold the action button to deactivate. Notification. Did you just sign in?
Okay, just ignore that. It's going to say that. So now you can use your thumb keys. I'm going to turn this up a little bit.
Internet key web. Word processor keyword.
So you can still do that, but let's say you want to use the space. The space to go in. You press it once. It doesn't do anything. You have to press it twice. So press it again. There it goes. So let's say you want to do all applications. You hit A and then space.
All applications.
Let's say you want to go to word processor. You hit W. So dots 2, 4, 5, 6 space.
Word processor keyword.
Okay, so now you say we'll go to the options menu. And usually the options menu, the regular way is space with O together. To do this in one-handed mode, you hit space, then hit O, 1, 3, 5, space.
Options menu.
And then you can navigate.
Configure language profiles.
Anyways, and then to exit, you can do the exit command, which is space 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, enter. Or I'm sorry, space. Okay, so let's go to the word processor and do some typing here. So W would be 2, 4, 5, 6 space.
Word processor keyword.
And then to activate it, I believe you do enter and space.
Alert, a keyword recovery file exists.
Oops.
Keyword did not post last session. A keyword recovery file exists. Keyword did not post last session.
Let's do discard.
Do you want to open the recovery file to save it or discard it? Discard. Discard button. Keyword menu.
I'm gonna hit the cursor button to get there. So let's do create 1, 4 space.
Create.
And for this case, I'm gonna hit the cursor rounding button.
Loading. Please wait 3 periods.
Okay, so we're gonna type in hello. Dot 6, 1, 2, 5.
Dots 1, 2, 5, 6. R.
Yeah, that doesn't work.
R deleted. Dots 1, 2, 5, 6 deleted.
Oh, okay, yeah, you have to do dot 6 space.
Dot 6.
Then 1, 2, 5 space. 1, 5 space. 1, 2, 3 space. 1, 2, 3 space. Oh. Uh-oh.
Help.
Okay, sorry. Ignore that. 3, 5.
Oh.
1, 5, 6 space.
Dots 2, 5, 6.
Space, space.
Hello.
Cat dot 6. 2, 4 space.
Dots 2, 4, 6.
Am. So.
Successfully updated Facebook.
Gosh, really? Whoa. Okay. 1, 3, 4.
M.
And.
Dots 2, 4, 6 deleted.
Oh, that's why. I. So dot 6 space.
Dot 6.
2, 4 space. Then space, space. There we go. Space, space. So using 1, 3, 6 space. 2, 3, 4 space. 3, 4, 6 space.
Dot 3, 4, 6.
Space, space.
Using.
Dot 5 space.
Dot 5.
1, 3, 5 space. 3, 6 space.
Dot 3, 6.
1, 2, 5 space. 1, 2, 4, 6 space.
Dots 1, 2, 4, 6.
Oops. Any mistakes? So let's go back and put that corresponding under the ED and put the and. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 space.
Dots 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. One-handed.
Then space, space.
One-handed.
1, 6. Whoops. 1, 3, 4 space. 135 space 145 space 1246 space
Dots 1, 2, 4, 6.
space space
Loaded.
one-handed mode. It was not mode.
Space deleted. Dots 1,
I meant
2,
mode
4,
1
6
5
deleted.
space
Mode.
on the touch. So 135 space 1345 space
N.
2346 space.
Dots 2, 3, 4, 6. Space.
Forgot to put a space in there.
The.
And let's put the word touch because we know it's the BrailleNote Touch. So 2345 space
T.
1256 space
Dots 1, 2,
16
5, 6.
space
Dots 1,
156 space.
Dots 2, 5, 6.
Okay, now to go to the top, you do space 123 space.
Top. Touch.
There we go. Now we have hello. I am using one-handed mode on the BrailleNote Touch on the touch. So let's go to the exit. You could either use the back arrow button located on the front, or you can just do the space with E to get out. So we do space 1 5 space.
Alert exit keyword. Do you want to save your document?
No.
Yes.
So we do 1 3 4 5
No button.
and hit no, and then do space enter. Space.
Keyword menu.
Or
Create.
okay, I could have just done the space enter.
Notification. Successfully updated Google Play Music.
I meant space enter space, not the other way around. So, and now we're going to exit that again. Actually, let's go to the recent apps. So we're just going to press and hold the square button,
Recent apps.
space, and clear all.
Main menu.
There we go. And to disable this, you do the same thing as you did to enable one-handed mode. Press and hold the enter button, and then hold the action button with that.
One-handed mode deactivated.
There we go.
Contact, email, internet.
So now I'm back to where it's usually back it is. I don't see really any reason to use one-handed mode. Probably maybe for people, I don't know what that's used for really. Maybe for people who, I don't know, maybe you can comment down below because I'm not sure what this is used for or what you would use it for. Maybe those of you who are BrailleNote users and know about one-handed mode, comment down below what you have heard it used for because I'm kind of curious what you would use that for because I don't know. I did make a tutorial on that on the BrailleNote Touch when I first got it. This is the 26-minute one, and I did kind of breeze through that. You pretty much, I think, can do the same thing when if you have your BrailleNote Touch in a different language. But let's try it out. I'm curious. I'm pretty sure you could do it in a different language. I wouldn't be surprised why you couldn't, but let's try it out anyway.
Options menu.
Let's go to options.
Configure language profile. Bottom. Android system settings.
Android system settings.
Settings. Wireless and network. Location. Language and input.
Hitting L for language and input.
Language
Selecting
and
that.
Language. English. United States.
English.
Language. Every call catalog.
And let's go to German. Oops.
Rough. Top. Every ESC. English. English. United States. English. United Espanol. Francais. Kravitsky. Italiano.
Oh, oops.
Espanol. English. United States. English. ESC. Deutsch.
Deutsch, German. Select that. And now, so it's saying it really weirdly. So now I'm gonna have to go to, ooh. Okay. Yeah, I know. Standard. Okay. Oh, I can do that. Let's see. What's that command? Let's see. Oh, that was. There we go. So let's go back to here. Why isn't it going out?
Hauptmenü. Anfang. Kontakte. Keylist.
Okay, so it just said Anfang Kontakte Keylist. If you think about it, it said contacts, Kontakte, contacts. They're pretty similar.
E-Mail. Keymail.
Yeah, email,
Internet.
Internet,
Textverarbeitung.
Textverarbeitung. If you think what they're text, it has the word text in it, so you think, oh, okay, that's the word processor.
Terminplaner.
Terminplaner. Terminplaner. Key plan. It's the key plan.
Dateiverwaltung. Gefilles.
Datei für Langtung. Key files. Key files. So basically, it's the key files. That's the one that's kind of hard to figure out, but.
Taschenrechner.
Taschenrechner.
Kalk.
And it said key calc really strangely, but it's it's the calculator. Taschenrechner.
Victor Reader.
Victor Reader.
Play Store.
Play Store.
KNFB Reader.
KNFB Reader.
Braille Terminal.
Some of this stuff it won't say correctly because it won't translate correctly, but you get the idea. Anyway, let's try turning one-handed mode by pressing the Enter button and the Action button. Oops.
Einhandmodus. Ihn zu deaktivieren, halten Sie die Enter- und die Action-Taste gedrückt.
Okay, so it worked.
Alle Apps.
Alright, let's turn it back off. Press and hold.
Einhandmodus deaktiviert.
Okay.
Braille Terminal.
So I'm going to go back and change the language back to English.
Optionen.
So let me do that.
Kunden. Android-Systemeinstellungen. Drahtlos und Netzwerke. WLAN. Schalter.
Oops.
Speicher.
There we go.
Standort. Sicherheit. Sprache und Eingabe. Sprache und Eingabe.
Okay.
Sprache Deutsch.
Let's
Sprache.
change that.
Tabelle Deutsch. Gesti. English Australia. English United Kingdom. English United States.
There we go. And let's.
Language und Input. Language English United States. Checkbox. Chat. Spellchecker. Notification. Begeh's with the team. Settings button. Personal Dictionary. Keyboard und Input Methods.
Oh, that's why. I need to change that back to English. Let me think here.
English US.
There we go.
Top. Language. English. United States.
Now, guys, I had to do a lot of work. A lot of figuring out how to change the actual German because it had to be in a specific Braille code. Because it would always go to UEB. So I had to think, okay, I want this in EBAE. Because I'm not used to Braille code and UEB in German. So I had to change the Braille code a little bit to grade 1, excuse me. They have different Braille code. They have grade 0, 1, 1.5, 2, and I mean, there's even a 3. What that means is grade 0 is all computer Braille, I believe. Grade 1 is the regular code, with the umlauts and the actual periods. Grade 1.5 is with some contractions. Grade 2 is with... No, there's a grade 2. I think there's only grade 2. Grade 2 is all contractions. But I only know grade 1 in German because that's what I was taught, and I didn't have time to get the grade 2 one, and I don't have a way to know where. So, that is one-handed mode in both languages. If you needed a tutorial again, how to change languages, or if you have any questions, requests for the BrailleNote Touch, what you want to do, or what you want to learn about the BrailleNote Touch, please comment down below. I'm happy to help. I'm here to help with technology. I have the Blaze Z, the BrailleNote Touch, Victor Reader Trek, Victor Reader Stream. Do not get those two confused. VictorReader Trek and VictorReader Stream, second generation, the VictorReader Trek, and VoiceOver, iPhone, iPad, whatever, Apple Watch. If you need any help with that kind of stuff, let me know. I'm happy to help. Anyway, make sure to comment down below, subscribe if you have not, and like and comment, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.
15 minutes, 23 seconds. Take picture. Button. Stop recording video. Button.